typically you don't wake up excited to spend $600. Also, I got my Uncrustable. It's off-brand, don't judge. But today is one of those days where I woke up and I was like, I'd be glad to spend $600. And the reason why is because the Evo is finally tuned and running in a capacity where I feel more comfortable with it. Also, you guys got a little dust on you. Hold on. Oh, there we go. Check it out. There she is. So, there's a set of taillights that I really want, and they're custom built. They're the LED ones. Damn, these are legit Depots or Stanleys, and they still already have condensation on them. That's kind of not the best, but look at how bright this thing shines right now. I'm gonna go ahead and start her up. This thing needs a wash as well. It has been way too many months. Let's go ahead and give her a nice little So hopefully this guy gets back to me and we can run up to Seattle. I do got to put miles on this Evo anyway, so might as well go up there, immediately slap on those headlights or taillights, and then come on home, right? It's only about a 45-minute drive if we make it. And gotta go get some gas too, do some other little chores, household items. But it is a beautiful day out today, and I am should have gone for a little walk because I need to stretch my legs. It's been a little while. But yeah, there she is. Oh man, you can already see the spot. Oh, wait a second, from over here is better actually. You might not be able to see it. Hold on, can I zoom in? Anyways, there's a spot like right around this portion of the grill where it is already burnt from the flames that we shot yesterday. I don't know, you probably can't see this, but there's a lot of heat coming from this area. I think I'm just gonna go ahead and swap on the carbon hood for a little bit because I don't care if that thing gets fucked up, but this OEM hood with the OEM grill, I don't want to mess with it. So when we get back to the house, that's what we'll do. We'll change that out. We'll hopefully get a response from dude because he has not hit me back, and we also need alignment on this car, so there's a ton of stuff that we got to do to it. We're just gonna go get some gas real quick. We're pretty much quarter tank on empty. Small tanks, of course, premium, you know the deal, but we need good gas, so we're gonna go hit either that Chevron or that Shell right there. I think I'm more inclined to hit the Chevron though. Oil pressure's looking good at idle. This is not reading accurately. The wideband needs to be it doesn't need anything. We just need to finish that downpipe. So downpipe should happen this month as well. It's looking real promising, guys. Oh, here we go. Woo! Oh, the turbo noise is coming out of this thing, dude. Okay, I'm just gonna go ahead, hit the Chevron real quick. It is expensive. Premium is $5.17 to the gallon, bro. What the heck? Oh, the price we pay for good quality gas. Okay, let's get this thing rocking and rolling. Do they have Apple Pay? These people are stuck in the past, bro. If I have to use a physical card, you're stuck in the past. All right, here we go. Boop. Oh, well, they do have a tap to pay. Let's see if it works this time. Usually it don't work. Oh, it worked. Thank God. Here we go. Pull this off real quick. And then, no. Let's go. Supreme. Is there no freaking... There it is. That's a weird pump. So, yeah. Boom. Yeah. We're so close. I think I do want to add some spacers. Quite a bit of deficit here, so I think we'll go 25 mils all around. Maybe not in the rear. I'm already pulling some of the plastics out, but it is rolled, so I think it could take it. Let's see what we at here. I'm just gonna fill her up. She needs it, and we're gonna need to drive her around anyway, so Still filling? Jesus Christ. $5.20 a gallon, damn near. What the heck? I just want cheap gas again, bro. What happened to our dinosaurs? That's crazy. Here we go. Tighten this motherfucker up. Boom. Done and fucking done at $56. Holy Christ. That's a lot of money. Alright, let's get this motherfucker in. Oh, she almost didn't want to start there. Okay, here we go. Get our freaking crust offs. Still very frozen. I should have let it sit for a little longer. Oh, very frozen. Never mind, this is a snack for later. Goddamn. I screwed up big time there. Alright, where are we going? We got gas. A whole tank of it. Should we give him a little pull, bro? Freaking insane when it's actually fully tuned on pump gas and E for the extra little juiceroni. I'ma go this way, bro. Everybody's in the way. Big trailer ahead. Down bad. Dude, it feels so good to be back inside of an Evo. It's been too long without one. I've been driving all sorts of commuter cars, automatics, manuals, everything in between, but nothing, and I mean nothing, has really felt at home like an Evo does. Obviously, we're missing a pillar here as well, which I need to get, but interior feels great in here. Also need to get a cigarette ashtray thing, just so I could put my carbon lid on it and poke that thing down there. But we are so close to finishing up. Well, I wouldn't say that close, because we still got a lot to do, or a lot of things we could do to the car. So oh, that turbo sounds gnarly, bro. We probably came home around like 2 o'clock last night. Oh, it feels so good. Carbon everything too, man. We out here right now. This is feeling good, bro. Yeah, we out here, bro. Just cruising, to be honest. I think we're gonna go up to Seattle today. You're about to see me uncover a massive mess in this corner here. Don't mind it. But we do need to put on the carbon hood, so I'll go ahead and sit you guys here. Boop, 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 boop. Yo, we got lucky. Zonny boy just pulled up. I was actually hoping he would at some point, and he is here now, so we're good to go. We can actually get this show on the road without sacrificing anything. Let's go into the garage with it. Slight hiccup. Yeah, we're pausing. Maybe we just leave it no hood today.
It's a good day to do no
But then we got to put it on immediately afterwards. So. But yeah, fuck, dude, this thing looks so good. Yeah, leave those there for now. I'll take care of them later. I just got to remember to do it. Appreciate it though.
Got you.
Thanks, dog.
Yeah.
Alrighty, so here she sits. Looks really good. I think this is gonna be good because, oh shoot, our dump is literally just right there. I'm hoping that's not gonna be a problem. I don't really care too much about this hood anyway, so it probably will just run a whole spot through here. But, you know, whatever, all good. Every smart Evo owner keeps some tools in the trunk, so that's what we got. We got some jump starters. I'm gonna put the tool bag right here. Hopefully it don't slide around too much. And then we still gotta install that bar as well. That's the one that we had in a different car in our black Evo. Oh, here we go. In our black Evo before, so hopefully that works nice. Get that all done. Gonna head over to Wheel Wizards now. I shut down this garage. Got a lot of bikes in here lately. I think I might need one, dude. I'm feeling it. Ooh, and those guys might have the thing to get these 3M tape and stuff off and have them re-stick it. So hopefully I can do that too. More Evo parts. I had to take off the hood. It wasn't closing all the way, and I don't want it to fly out and hit the windshield and shatter some glass. That would be one of the worst things to have to pay for right now. Some extra unnecessary BS. So either we put on the stock hood again after this, or I might run that fiberglass one. We'll see what happens. But right now, zero hood. Oh shit, we ran over to the boys at Wheel Wizards. It's Tommy and Jesse. And they are trying to get me caffeinated. I noticed a little spot on the Evo earlier today, and just gonna take care of it. I think it's gonna come out pretty good, pretty good. It's crazy. Somebody had sat on that quarter, so I don't know how that happened, but damn. We also need to get some paint fixed in the rear, so I'm gonna have these guys do it. It's fucking cheap. We love Japan. Sushi's cheap. Bro, I got Thomas with me. We about to whip on over to Auburn and grab ourselves a nice pair of taillights here. And I'll show you when we get there. Alright, so what you didn't see behind the scenes was me struggling to keep the car on the entire way home from Auburn, which was it usually is about 35 minutes, and it became an hour and probably 10 because of all the traffic, and I had to keep the car on with my foot manually. So anyways, we're home. Check out what I got for the Evo though.
Put the signals, there you go.
So yeah, that's where we stand now. Got more goodies that I probably shouldn't have bought before making sure that the car runs perfectly fine, but it is what it is. Gotta snag the deals while they're there, bro. Got them.